How has AI changed in what we do in tech?
For my side, I think it's definitely made it a little bit easier. Um, you know, rather than having to sit here and sift through documentation or go through things online, I can just simply ask, whatever AI provider I use the question, and it'll pull from those resources and give me a direct answer rather than having to beat around the bush and find it myself.
Okay. When I started in IT, there was no Google. That stuff back then was tough. I still use the OSI model to this day. The OSI model is, if you guys look it up, it's the 7 layers of how data gets from the network to your applications and where some of those breakdowns could go. It's definitely changed. I've used it to take multiple documents together, merge the information, and then be able to output summaries so I can review what 6 different documents have said. So instead of sitting there for 6 hours reading these documents, I could trim it down to about 30 minutes to an hour.